All right, guys, ready for some more of my awesome videos? Well, maybe not quite, but hopefully you're learning, and that's the important part. So in this video, we're going to take a look at mean, median, mode, and we're going to look at what happens when we have what we call symmetric data. Symmetric just means that we've kind of got a line in the middle here where the data above and below are symmetrical. And so if you think of this could maybe be test scores or the number of chicken nuggets you ate at lunch or something like this. And so this shows us that 3 people ate 6 chicken nuggets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people ate 8 chicken nuggets, or whatever the context is. So if I want to find the mean, median, and mode, some of you are going to work with the picture, and that's fine. But you might find it helpful to actually just write out the data. So you could see the 3 people that ate 6 chicken nuggets, the people who ate 7, the people who ate 8, 9, and 10, and so on. If you're going to find the mean, how would you do that? Well, I'm guessing you said you would just add all these numbers up and then divide by however many numbers there are. And you're correct. If you do that, you'll find that the mean here is 8. Okay? And again, think back to that leveling out idea. If the people who had 10 chicken nuggets, I'm going to change colors. People who had 10 chicken nuggets, if they would have given 2 to the person who had 6, then they both would eat 8. This person, same way. This person, the same way. It would have balanced out. And again, you could see if the people who ate 9 gave 1 to the person who ate 7, you would again balance all of these out. Since we have the same amount of 9s as 7s, that tells us that the mean or the average is 8 without even adding anything up. So that's one way to look at it. Another way is to think about, actually not another way, but let's take a look and think about the median. Median, you're probably remembering that that's the middle number, and that's correct. So if I start cross off a number here, just to simplify, I'm going to cross off 4 numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers here. Cross off 4, cross off 4, cross off 1, and cross off 1. There's not actually a middle number. And so when that happens, we have to take the average of the 2 middle numbers, which in this case is obviously just 8. Okay, so that's the median. And then the last one we're going to look at is the mode, which most people think of the mode as the most often. It is the most often occurring. And actually, our little chart here is helpful, our dot plot, because we can see here 8 occurred the most. And so 8 is the mode. So if I asked you what you noticed about the mean, median, and mode, I'm guessing pretty quickly you'd say they're all the same. And you're right on. They're all the same. And this is going to happen anytime we have symmetric data. The mean, median, and mode are all going to be equal. And that's really fantastic because we end up getting symmetric data a fair amount in real life, and then when we start doing more advanced things with it, we end up getting a bell curve, which is symmetric. So that concludes this video. The main takeaway is that you recognize for